Hey angels, I wanted to get on here and do a mask Monday for you guys. So I have a full face of makeup on, so let's go ahead and get started. So first I'm going to go ahead and put my hair back. Okay.
Love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
So let's go ahead and remove this makeup. Okay, so now the mask that I'm going to be using is this one right here. It's a avocado mask. And let's see. I don't know. Let's see. It's from It's Skin. Oh, it smells good. So here it is here. It's so cold.
Melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song.
It's so cold, you guys. Oh, it feels so good though.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands.
15 minutes. So we're gonna let that sit. And beautify me. I'll be back. Okay guys, so it's been 10 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to wash it off. Yeah. So you guys, that mask felt so good. That mask felt so good, you guys. I have a couple of. Okay. So now the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and just put an oil on my face, which I love. I'm obsessed with this one, and it's from Red Earth. I literally use this as much as I can. And I just grab it and then just put it on my face. And I love the way it smells. It smells so so good. And then put it down my neck. And then the last thing I do is put on this lip moisturizer that I'm obsessed with from Cell MD. And I just grab a little bit of it and then put it on my lips. And that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to try and link the mask down and all the products that I used in the description box below. I hope everyone's doing great, and until next time, we'll see you in the next video.